Right guys, it's opening Saturday at Thorpe Park. I'm glad I didn't come yesterday because apparently there were power cuts and whatnot. Why is it spot focusing? This is not what I wanted. Hey, there's me. Third attempt this season to try and get on Hyperia. So, I came on the Friends and Family Day. It was closed. It opened about 4:45. I'd already left because I was driving up to Alton Towers. I came last Saturday for the blue light day. It decided not to, you know, it's doing that thing where it's stuck on the lift. So I'm going to try get on it today. But at worst, as long as I get a stealth swarm and some of the other rides, it's okay. It's Thorpe Park. It can't be much worse than Towers is opening, which, as I'd like to say, was a bit of a shit show. Time for Thorpe Park. So, like I said to you guys, I came to Thorpe Park because I want to go on Hyperia Stealth. Can you guess the two coasters that aren't ready for 10 o'clock? Lee, what are the two coasters?
Well, it's both of them, isn't it? Yeah.
We all know Stealth throws hissy fits at the beginning of the season.
Testing.
Hyperia is testing. So we're going to head that way because I'm willing to wait for it because, well, the key thing for you guys to know is the bar doesn't open till 12. That's a very important fact here. So right now, I consider this free time. There she is. I don't know if you can see.
Please don't stall, please don't stall, please don't stall.
She's not going to stall, Lee.
Please don't stall.
She's going round.
Please don't stall.
So yeah, that's a good thing. I don't know if it's still with maintenance or whether it's been passed to the rides team, but we're going to head that way, and most probably the rest of the park are all up there waiting for it to open as well. So see you guys over at Hyperia. So there's Hyperia. It's still having the same fault, unfortunately. It's the Friends and Family Day and last weekend at Blue Light Day, so the trains stop at the bottom of the lift. Big up to the staff over there. They're all chatting and being lovely, so it's really nice. So they're just explaining it could be longer than expected.
Ooh, no slammer.
Oh yes, Slammer's gone. If you subscribe to Explore Essential, I've got a video on there of it being cut up. It's on my YouTube shorts that we use, so yeah, that's all. Got a video of it being cut up and taken away. Hopefully a brand new ride goes there for next year. That, you know, Thorpe could do with the capacity. New thrilling flat rides. Cough, gyro swing, cough. But I think Blackpool's taken that possibility away. I still have one here too. We're going to go have a look at some of the merch, pop over to Stealth and see what's happening there, because you know what, I'd wait around Stealth as well to get on that, because good fun. But hey ho, we're back at Thorpe Park, it's sunny, just enjoy the day as we can.
If you're not that tall, you can't go. Sorry about that.
So, when we were walking past Nemesis, we saw Stealth testing, we came over, we saw the engineers leaving. Then Rise did their test and it opened and we were right by the front. So we queued about 10 minutes for the front row, which I'm really happy about. Still the best ride in the UK. I keep saying this. Once I get back on that launch, I can't stop smiling. I just love it. Yesterday I had a rollback. Today to stop that, they were slow loading it. So they were loading like the first 3 cars and now they've opened up the next car and the next car just to make sure they can keep the ride open, which is much better to see. We like that. Ride availability with Hyperia down is not the best. I think I'm going to go on Nemesis Inferno now. Still can't decide, but I think this might be the better Nemesis. Sorry guys. See you after the ride. So after Nemesis, Hyperia is still testing and, well, not making it up the lift hill. I'm sure you guys know what I mean. So we decided to go on this ride. Colossus! We also come up with a genius idea because Lee needs the creds at Legoland and they're on a 5-minute wait for Minifigure Speedway, so we might bail Thorpe after this. It's currently 1:45, go to Legoland for an hour or so and then come back to Thorpe hoping Hyperia is back open, because we've already done Stealth, we've already done Inferno. Yeah, we've got a lot of the rides I want to do, so why not? Let's have a bit of fun. We're at Legoland!
Oh, we're at the land of the bricks.
It took about 20 minutes or so to get here from Thorpe Park. Minifigure Speedway's on a 10-minute queue. Getting Lee the creds. We might go on the log flume, because it's always good to get on a log flume in the UK. We've not got many of them left. And then we'll go back to Thorpe Park in the hope that Hyperia opens. So maybe the PM maintenance team, you know, they come in about 2-ish. Maybe they can sort it out. And we can get a ride on that. Even if it opens at 5:30 and I have to queue for an hour, I'll join that queue at the end of the day to get a ride on Hyperia because it's try free. But for now, see you inside Legoland for Minifigure Speedway. Right, this is attempt 4 of riding Hyperia. So I was here for the Friends and Family Day. Oh, that's good timing. The wheels have just started up behind me. Yeah, attempt 4. I was at the Friends and Family Day, the Blue Light Day. Yesterday, the 29th of March, I was here. Unfortunately, it didn't open, but they were testing it. It's about 11:30. They tested it all morning. So in my vlog, guys, you'll see I was at Legoland. I forgot to vlog the rest of the day. So here we go. I'm going to be joined by Adam Arthur Graham today. He was tired and forgot to woke up, so he's coming here about 1 o'clock. There we go. Off it goes. The main aim of today, opening weekend at Thorpe Park, is just to get a ride on Hyperia. So I'll keep you guys updated. And we got a staff ride. That's always a good sign. This thing should be opening today. Try. It's open. Here we go. Hopefully. Got to make it through the queue, yeah. Fingers crossed. Let's see how this goes, eh? Hyperia, first time of 2025. Right guys, Hyperia opens. Our mates, as a 2, got the back row, row 10, and we got front row. Now Adam, I'll put a link to his channel, he's just started vlogging as well. Yeah, that front row, absolutely amazing. Loved it. And now what we've done, cheers, a pint of course, and we come into the shop, and honestly, if you were to ask me, retail has got to be some of the best things this year. Like, the amount I'm tempted to buy, like they've got stealth hoodies, they've got Nemesis Inferno G-Lays, loads of new pin badges. I have spent £50 on pin badges. Like, look at the stealth tops. It's just, they've got trackies, they've used the new logos and stuff, new Thorpe Park logo. I love it. Oh, even the Swarm. Ooh, that Swarm hoodie's quite nice. I didn't see that one. I like that. But yeah, so this year, I think, even at Towers, I said the same, the retail team are doing a really good job of throwing out some new products, and I might be spending a decent bit of money. So yeah, well done retail, and well done Rides and Engineering to get Hyperia open when it could have been closed all day. So we'll be going back on that at the end of the day. Cheers. Right, we finished our day again on Swarm. So yesterday we got 3 rides in a row, today we got 2 rides, and I loved it. I'm lucky, we got on Hyperia. It was worth waiting when we started testing. About half an hour after we got off it, it shut down, and that was it for the day. So that's a shame, but we got front row. So like I say, the whole weekend was, will I go on Hyperia? Attempt 4, I got on it. People are winding me up, my mates are winding me up. But other than Hyperia, we got on every other ride. We did front row Inferno, front row Stealth, 2 rides on Swarm 10 of the day. Great weekend at Thorpe Park. But yeah, it's a shame to see Hyperia has a lot of technical issues, because like I said, when I was at Towers, there's a lot of technical issues. So there's Adam. Subscribe to his channel. I'll put it at the bottom. I'll put it at the bottom. I'll put his channel. But yeah, basically, great weekend. However, technical issues need sorting out. See you guys in the next vlog.